How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Single Section Sunday, where on Sundays I showcase a particular single section home that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Sunday, I'm bringing to you the Sebastian. I am back again with an all-new episode of Single Section Sunday, and you guys have asked for it. When I brought back another Single Section Sunday a few weeks back, you said, Mr. Tiny, keep it coming. We've got a fan base just for the single section. So with that said, I listened to you, and I also listened to you when you said that you are looking for something that is cost-effective in this current crazy housing price market. So with that being said, here you have the Sebastian, because you asked for it, and hey, Mr. Tiny's gonna give you what you want because I got what you need. So the Sebastian is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,153 square feet to be exact. It's 16 feet wide, 76 feet long, and it's on sale today for $112K. $112,000, you get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. So with that being said, guys, this is a price that cannot be beat, especially when it comes to the quality of the construction that we still provide here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this is a great model. It is also a split floor plan. So with that being said, there's no porch on this model, so I'm not doing my usual intro sitting on the porch. So we brought it inside and got right down to business. So that way we've offered the flexibility for you to build your own porch of your liking on site after delivery. So with that being said, this split floor plan starts right here in the living area. And you're greeted as soon as you walk in by the ceiling fan centered into the room with the large and in charge tray ceiling with crown molding and 4 LED can lights as well. So that's a great focal point whenever you walk into this home. And speaking of the focal points, you're going to have this main area here where you can display a nice piece of decor, but you also have ample space for your TV placement. So with that said, you have a large wall here, large wall here on each side, so that way you could put your console on either side, put the couch to the opposite. The options are endless, but with this said, being a 16-foot wide, you have enough space to accommodate a couch, love seat, chairs, recliners. The options are endless. So this home is great as soon as you walk in, and keep in mind, we're bringing in the natural light as always. So we got the windows coming in off the rear of the home, and then the window coming off the front of the home to bring in natural light from each angle. And then as you see, we'll make our way down to the guest end of the home. Again, this is a split floor plan. It's 3 bedrooms, so I'm gonna take you to the first 2. And with that being said, we're gonna go right here around the corner to guest bedroom number 1. And as you come in, this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but it's great for if you are needing office space. You maybe only need a 2-bedroom, but you are working from home. This is a great option for you by having this small 3rd bedroom. But also, if you don't want to use it as an office, this is great for small children. You could have this as a nursery. The options are endless. Also, you have the window, as always, right here in the home, bringing in the natural light, but it's also an egress window. So you can lift that up, ventilate the house, everything's good to go. And then you have your closet right here to the side, shelf and rod, as always, in there for you. And then we have the 3-blade ceiling fan with black blades centered. So that's a great option. Also, as you come out, hey, this is a little dead space in the hallway, so why not put some more cabinetry, some more storage space in here for you. So we have the 6-door pantry right here. What this works great for is additional towels, washcloths, etc. You have the space right here because with this being a 2-bath, you have a bath on this end of the home as well. So with that being said, before we get there, you have the wash area. This is going to be for a side-by-side washer and dryer. No stackables in this model, so you have space down below for the side-by-side, and then you have the additional cabinets up above and the rod in the middle for hanging. So that's taken care of for you. Also, you have the rear entry into the home. So this off the back side of the house, you got the front entry right there into the living room, and then you got the rear entry here. But what's great about that is you come in from the rear door and you can throw your clothes off into the laundry area and walk right into the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom here. So what we've done to accommodate a variety of guests is have a tub shower combo. That's a fan favorite for a lot of you, because whether you have small children or you just like to soak in the tub, you have the option. But for those of you that's in a hurry, just want to shower real quick, we've got that up top for you as well. We also have the transom window there, bringing in again some natural light. We have the linen cabinet above the commode, and it's small things, guys. I mean, you got adjustable shelving in here, so no matter what height, we make it right. So we've got that in there for you also. And then we got your sink. We've got the drama marble countertop going throughout the home also. And then we'll lead to the guest bedroom number 2. So as you make it in this side into this room, you have the larger of the 2 rooms. And this works great because it's on the opposite end of the home from the primary bedroom. And what's great about that is that if you have a guest staying over, they can be on this wing of the home. The owners can be on the opposite. If you got that teenager that wants that privacy, I don't want to talk to you, Mom, I'm mad. Slams the door, hey, go get, you about to get it. But you can be right here in the room away from everybody. So that way they can sit in here and chill out. But we've got this area open. It can accommodate even up to a king size bed. I would recommend personally a queen, maybe a couple of nightstands in here. You've got the options. And then of course, the window here off the back of the home, bringing in the natural light. And then of course, another closet with ample closet space also. So that way you've got that as well. And then you follow me back through, and I hope you guys are noticing, we also threw in the midnight package. So with that said, all your fixtures in this home are black. So that's just a key feature there. I know some of y'all may be snoozing, not paying attention, but you better wake up, because right here at Recreational Resort Cottages, we're bringing the quality and the style that you are looking for. And it's small details like that right there that go a long way and make it far from those cookie cutter manufactured homes that you're used to seeing. And with that being said, follow me back through. I've showed you the guest wing of the home. Now look at this ample space as you walk into the living area and also into the kitchen. And what's great about that is with it being an open concept, I should say, you've got the split from the island right here centered to the living area, separated right here by a shiplap accent down below. We've got the extended bar countertop here, works great for a couple of stools. You can even add a couple more if you needed to. We've got the glow pendant lights up top, so that's a great feature there. And then we even have your one basin stainless steel farm sink, detachable sprayer. We've got drainers, cutting boards. The options are endless, ladies and gentlemen. Do whatever you need to right here with this sink. We have the stainless steel dishwasher down below to match the sink as well, and we chose to keep this wrapping around, so it makes a great prep space here around your sink. But then you have the cooking space here, where we have the smooth top electric stainless steel oven right here for you. We've got ample storage on each side, and then we have the stainless steel microwave up top. We've chosen to add the standard style refrigerator in this model, meaning the freezer's up top, fridge down below, just to show you an additional option. And again, we even give you more storage up top. Now you guys follow me back, because I know this is what you've been waiting on, is the primary bedroom. And as you make it down to this wing of the home, you come in and you can see right here, as soon as you walk in, you can tell this is the main attraction right here in this home. Is you get a lot larger room in this home as well. We gave you 2 windows up front, because why not? The guests get 1, the owners get 2. And we've got that. We've also got your ceiling fan centered. We've got ample space around this bedroom. You can easily accommodate a king size bed, so no worries there. But you guys follow me from the bedroom into the ensuite, ensuite master bathroom. So with that being said, you follow me in, and of course, hey, we got you right here. We gave you another tub shower combo, but guess what? This is the primary bedroom and the primary bathroom. So with that being said, you're not getting the small tub shower, you're getting the big boy tub shower in here. So you can actually soak and have a bubble bath in here and enjoy the time in this shower tub combo. And you even have a transom window up top. We even have your toilet separated right here by the wall, and then we have the linen up above the toilet with, again, adjustable shelving. And that leads you right over to the middle of the bathroom where you're going to have additional storage. We've got the sink, we've got the drama marble countertops, the wood trimmed mirror right there for you. But then again, you need more storage space. We already know. So we got this area right over here for you that we have the open shelving. That way you can do additional storage right there, whether it's towels, rags, whatever you've got there. You can go there and have that ready to go. You put some nice candles up there, light it up, just set the mood. I'm just saying, hey, get cleaned up in here. Then also you have the primary closet. And then right here you can see these are shelf and rods going around. So you've got the rectangle shape on the shelf and rods. It's giving you a lot of walk space, a lot of hanging space for your clothes and your shoes down low. And this is a great option for you. And what I like about this is because it's en suite, you don't got to worry about anybody coming in to your bathroom. And then you follow me back through, and we'll take it through the main bedroom here. And you can see as you walk back through the main entrance in the main area of the home, you can see how this opens up so lovely. So for $112K, I mean, where else are you getting that today? I can tell you, Recreational Resort Cottages, ladies and gentlemen. And again, this particular model is the Sebastian. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,153 square feet. And it is on sale today for $112K, guys. So this one's going to go quick. So you better hit my line and say, Mr. Tiny, I need that Sebastian. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I'm gonna need some action. So you need to hit me up expeditiously with this home, because I'm telling you guys, it's not going to be here for long. But just in case you miss it, we can always order one for you. So I got you there too if you're late to the party. So with that being said, guys, this is another single section Sunday. So guys, if you enjoyed this video of the Sebastian, let me know right now. Let me know if you love this split floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Hey, this is what you've been asking for, a single section home. So I'm showcasing more of them now. Also, you've asked for a competitive price point. Hey, right now in 2022, it's hard to get 3-bedroom, 2-baths right under 1,200 square feet for that price point. I mean, guys, this is awesome, and we're trying to listen to you and see what you're wanting and provide that for you here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, let me know what your favorite part of the Sebastian was. Was it the split floor plan? Was it the bar island combo in the kitchen? Endless options in here. Let me know so that way we can keep this coming each and every week. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you're part of the family. So I greatly appreciate you for doing that. Speaking of subscribers, I want to give a very special belated happy birthday to Helen from North Carolina. It is your 65th birthday, and I wanted just to take the time out and say happy birthday to you and thank you for your support. Your daughter Val hit me up on Instagram and said, Mr. Tiny, my mother watches all your videos as well as myself, and we love everything that you're doing, and I would greatly appreciate it if you wish my mother a happy birthday. So Mr. Tiny is a man of the people. So hey, I appreciate you, Miss Helen, for your support, and again, happy 65th birthday to you, and I greatly appreciate you. Also, if you want to hit me up like Val did, you can contact me directly on Instagram. You can contact me about this Sebastian right now, and I can send it your way at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Sebastian as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. You can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, guys, I'm Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Single Section Sunday.